Here we are in Wandsworth, attending to a gas escape and a replacement project where we're replacing our ageing mains. Here with two of our new apprentices.
I'm Max Harris. I'm John Garrett. I was doing carpentry, sitting guilds and loft conversions.
I'm now as an apprentice. I was the fabric engineer before.
As you know, finding an apprenticeship is hard. Not a lot of people take you on. People sometimes just treat you not like an apprentice, like a normal everyday worker. And here you get listened to as well. People listen to your perspective, your thoughts, and you actually get trained the right way of doing it.
There's not many places that would take on a 33-year-old me. So the opportunity for someone who's a little bit older, it's a great choice.
It's hands-on as well. It's not sitting in the classroom. It's not just writing things on paper. It's getting interactive, doing the work.
Get involved.
Yeah, getting involved.
Apprentices are important to SGN because they're the future of our workforce. You know, in SGN, the value of what we do every single day is really all about the quality of our people, their training, their competency, their culture, their commitment. And having apprenticeships, particularly apprenticeships of all different types of people, is the bedrock of the future. So we're very committed every single year to take our share of apprenticeships on. The network's so extensive, it's going to be here for a long, long time. I'm sure you will have a long career in that.
Yeah. It's always going to be a career for life.
We're at the forefront of decarbonisation, so I think we offer a really good platform for people's careers. Get a skilled job, working for a great company with great people, and have a say in the future of the country.
Getting qualifications for a company that pays well, not just your apprentices. One of the safest companies I've been a part of. Really emphasised it.
Have you been here to feel welcome here?
Yeah, completely. Yeah, it's great. Made new friends, met new people, all from different walks of life.
I think that idea of getting different types of people is good for the company as well. All different types of people, different backgrounds. We've got more women this year than ever before in our apprenticeship scheme. Yeah, I agree with you. Having people who are slightly more in their career can only help us, really. So I think it's tremendous. Bit of variety, so it can only help all of us. Face the start of a new industrial revolution, and the gap we have in skills, trained engineers, traineeships, is quite significant. So we really need a workforce of the future that has all the talents, diverse in gender, ethnicity, different ages, different experiences. This is really very important as we face what I think is one of the greatest challenges we've ever faced.